Hello everyone. The project name is Real-Time Color Detection using Python and OpenCV. So in this mainly we are going to use the Python and OpenCV. So our aim is to predict accurate identification color from the live video frame. So this system will capture the video input from the webcam and it will allow the user to click on pixels within the frame and it will find its RGB color values. This is my block diagram. First, we'll open the webcam and then it will capture the video. So in that video frame, we can click on any pixels on any color. It will detect and identify and it will display its color name. So this is my code like real-time color detection. First, we need to import the required libraries. So to open the webcam, we are using video capture of 0. This is internal. So if we use any external camera, we need to change here. And then we are initializing our color and color name. And this is our data set color.csv. After that, we are writing code for the get color name and we are identifying the color and then reading the web cameras and it will identify the what color it is. So this is app.py Flask. So Flask is the framework of the Python. By using this, we are creating web pages and we are integrating with the HTML pages. So this is our database like color database. So whenever the user enter their details, so the thing will store here. And then same thing, we need to load our color data CSV files. And then whatever we have done in real-time color detection, we need to integrate here. So this is the route. We are integrating with the HTML. This is for index, about, contact, and this is for registration. And this is for the prediction buttons. After registration, we need to log in. And then this is for the logout buttons. Show how our web page is running. So this is our index page, color detection. So here we have login, register, about, prediction, contact. So first we need to register. Once if you register directly, you can log in. So if you have any queries, you can contact through these forms and about. So what are the implements we have done in the project like real-time color captures and RGB and hexadimension color extraction and color name matching. So we'll predict. So before predicting, first we need to register and we need to log in. So here our camera is open. So just I'm clicking here. So here you can see that our RGB color is detecting and hexa color is detecting and color is say. And if I click this means it's showing that a dark stale gray and this is black and it's giving RGB color and hexa color for everything. So based on this, wherever you are clicking, so that color will detect here.